Welcome back, guys. Thank you for joining. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more updates. So we're going to be looking at microorganisms of the oral cavity. Welcome back, guys. Today we enter the world of microorganisms. Mhm. I need to share my screen. I don't know if you can see my screen, but I just want to share with you. Okay, so that's it. Welcome back. Today we enter the world of microorganisms, tiny living creatures that cannot be seen with unaided. They cannot be seen without a microscope. They cannot be seen without an unaided eyes. So, but they live all around and inside us, especially in the mouth. Some help us, but others cause disease. So there are ones that we call the normal flora of the body. Microorganisms are everywhere in your handbag, in your purse, your school bags, your desks. There are some that are harmful and some are not harmful. So and once there are ones we call normal flora of the body. Okay. So we're but basically what we're looking at is the types of microorganisms in the mouth. So there are four major types of microorganisms we will talk about, and that is still on bacteria. Bacteria are tiny single cell organisms. Some are harmful, others cause cavities. So we have viruses much smaller than bacteria. Tiny, they are much smaller than bacteria. They can't live on their own. They are something that are do not they exist as a living thing when they get into the body. They cannot stay without a host. They cannot stay on their own. So they need a host. They cannot stay on the surface for long. They'll die off. So we have the fungi also. The fungi includes molds and yeasts. Some are normal residents, but they can cause problems if they grow too much. Okay. An example of a fungi is Candida albicans. Yeah. We have Saccharomyces cerevisiae. These are also used for culturing, but let's not just go into that. So we have protozoa, microscopic animals, rare in the mouth but found in unhealthy gums. When the gum is unhealthy, you can find protozoa there. So important microorganisms that you need to know. Let's learn the name and what they do. Okay, can you see my screen? Oh no. I thought I was sharing the screen for you. So okay, so okay, this is actually unit 4. Okay, so this is unit 4. I already delved into unit 4, so I'm going to talk about unit 4. Then I will come back to talk about the developmental abnormalities of the mouth. So unit 4 here, we're going to talk about the microorganisms. Like we have the bacteria, which is a streptococcus mutans, streptococcus mutans. They cause dental cavities, also known as cavities. We have the Porphyromonas gingivalis. Porphyromonas gingivalis. I'm trying as much as possible so you can make it easier for you to call Porphyromonas gingivalis. Is linked to periodontitis, which is also known as gum disease. We have the lactobacillus species, lactobacillus. It helps in deep progression of caries, dental caries. So we have the viruses, which is a herpes simplex virus, HSV, that causes herpetic stomatitis, painful blisters in the mouth. We have the human papilloma virus, um, can cause oral warts and has links to oral cancer. And we have fungi, which is Candida albicans. Candida albicans. You know, some of us know it is a very popular fungi that we call candidiasis, but we're very quick to say candidiasis. So we have the Candida albicans. So it causes oral thrush, especially in immunocompromised patients. When your immune system is compromised, this will likely cause oral thrush for you. So we have the entamoeba, entamoeba gingivalis, entamoeba gingivalis. It's found in unhealthy gums. Not very dangerous, but a sign of poor oral health. We already said this before. And going forward, we have so we're going to be talking about oral lesions and their causes. Oral lesions and their causes. I'm trying to see if there's something I need to talk about here. So these are lesions and mutations. So we're going to be talking about it. So now let's talk about how these microorganisms show up in the form of lesions. This does visible damage or abdominal areas. Okay. So we have the viral lesions, which is the herpetic stomatitis, which is caused by the HSV. We have the HPV related papillomas or oral cancers. These are due to viral mutation. And we also have the non-viral lesions. The non-viral lesions, uh, which is the abscess ulcer, small painful sores that often caused by stress or vitamin deficiency. And we have the traumatic ulcers that are caused by biting, dentures, or physical irritation. Mm, Note that not all lesions are infections, and not all microorganisms are bad. We need to know this, okay? So I have a question for you from this topic, and I want to say you can try to evaluate yourself because I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. If you have any questions, you can leave on the comment section, like, comment, and subscribe. I will be in the comment section to answer. I can also make a video for that. So I want you to name a bacteria and the disease it causes, and the differences between viral lesion and non-viral lesion. What does Candida albicans cause? So these will help you in self-assessing yourself after each unit. Excellent, guys. Excellent. So now students are familiar with microorganisms in the mouth. So in our next section, we will learn how we can classify these microorganisms by their shape, their stain, and how they survive. Okay? But before then, watch out for the unit 3 that has to do with the abdominalities. Okay? Watch out for it. I will post it as soon as possible. All right, guys. Thank you so much for liking and comment. See you in our next video. Bye.